Are reporting and business intelligence tools dead? AI can turn a plain English question into a chart in minutes, so it is a fair question. The honest answer is that something is ending, but it is not the dashboard. For years, a new report meant a ticket, a backlog, and weeks of waiting while a specialist built it in a BI tool. The tool was never the slow part. The wait was. The new path is different. You ask in plain English. AI drafts the query and the chart, you freeze it, and it is delivered and monitored in minutes. And it is two jobs, not one. Pulling the data with the right query and presenting it as the chart and the format you actually want. AI drafts both. You review them, then freeze them into code that runs the same way every time and shows each viewer only their own rows. Here is the decision that actually matters. When does the model run? In one design, it runs every time the report refreshes. In the other, it helps you build the report once, and then it is gone. At design time, the AI does the work. Studio sends it the task, your schema, and a small sample, and it drafts the code. You review and freeze it. The model never sees your production data, and you are billed for tokens only here. At runtime, the AI is gone. A deterministic engine runs the frozen code inside your own network. Your data never has to leave your data center. There is no model in the path, no token cost per run, and every run is logged and monitored. So no, business intelligence is not dead. What is dying is the ticket to dashboard cycle and the assumption that every report needs a specialist and a month. Build it with AI, then freeze it and run without one. Read the full article on our site and try it against a report you already know.